them straight holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth in his Maui. I check the bitch like I'm Mari. Sorry, bitch, I don't say sorry.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Jersey Go E, man. I'm coming at y'all. Wait, hold on. Damn, my nigga. What is you doing? I'm coming at y'all with another video, bro. Shit. Now, we just did 2 videos, bro. 2 videos, bro. We about to get 3 videos today? Y'all about to get 3 videos today, bro? Y'all about to get 3 videos today. That might be a new record, bro. I ain't never do 3 videos in that day. Or did I? Y'all let me know. Shit. But, y'all told me to react to some Angry Mom Destroys 2K18. Extreme Revenge. Shit. What's with that? What's with everybody destroying 2Ks, bro? Do y'all not understand, my nigga? Do y'all not understand, bro? How much work we put into the game, bro? We grinding for these badges, bro. Grinding for the badges, bro. Getting the My Park rep up. Some people probably had a My Team shit going. The quick match win-loss records, bro. And all that shit just down the drain. Because y'all guys doing pranks. A prank, bro. A prank. All before a prank. Now, I done seen quite few of some people just breaking people's 2Ks and stuff, man. Shoot. It's another victim right here, man. And this is mom breaking his 2K. Usually it'd be girlfriends and stuff. Couple channels breaking 2Ks. But, man, we're gonna see what this video up to, man. Shoot. R.I.P.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Melanie, my no rest mother. As you guys know, he got me yesterday with a very good prank, but you know what? I didn't think it was cool because he really scared me, and I thought he was really my son on the floor like that, and I really got scared, so I didn't like that prank. But you know what? They say what goes around comes around. I'm gonna get him back with what he loves the most. Like I said yesterday. As he did that prank to me, I thought of doing something like that to him. So I think this is the perfect time right after that.
That's crazy.
So you know what, guys?
That's crazy,
Today,
man.
I actually bought a brand new one, and I'm gonna act like I'm gonna break the one that he's playing with
a new
in his
2K?
room. At this time, he's downstairs.
Man, that shit still ain't gonna mean shit. You still gotta
but when he comes downstairs,
you gotta install the shit back.
once I set up the camera,
Man, that new 2K don't mean nothing. He still gotta wait to play it again because he gotta that install might take like 4 hours.
He's not gonna be expecting that I'm gonna break this today. But
leave a like for the install, man. Leave a like for the install. For all the people that had to deal with that install cheese, man.
A few
Leave a
moments
like.
later.
Leave a like for that shit. I know a lot of y'all sitting here when that game had to install, y'all was just about to cry type stuff.
Yo, I'm back. Get on the dots. Alright, come on. Nah, bro, that's Taco Bell be hurting my stomach. That's why I don't eat that stuff, bro. Your stomach don't be hurting when you eat Taco Bell?
That nigga got on 2K quick as shit. Damn, this. I joined the party. Like, damn, my nigga, what the hell? This nigga got on 2K quick as fuck.
It didn't happen to me like that, boy. You feel me? Yeah, it's my last game, bro. I gotta go to sleep early, because I gotta wake up early. Yeah. Alright.
It's his last
This
game.
record is trash.
Literally his last game.
Oh my god, man. I ain't losing to somebody who's
wow,
working
my
like
nigga.
that, bro. Y'all only ask one thing, bro. When I'm cutting, when I'm setting a pick and roll, I just roll down the basket and you just pass it to me when I'm wide open, alright? Yeah, that's why I don't play with Randles. They be having no IQ. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. They be having no IQ. Well, you a pure shark.
Dude, bro. Playing that 2K18, bro. I can't do it, bro. They be niggas on there thinking they Kobe James, thinking they niggas thinking they fucking Steph Jordan. Like, damn. Niggas thinking they Kobe Durant out here. Like, god damn, bro.
Good D.
Like, pass the ball. That's all. I just be like
all.
these
I'm
pure
good.
sharps, they
Yo.
just be making anything,
Yo.
bruh.
Yo, pass
Your
the
hand
ball
don't matter
to me,
nothing
man.
in
That's
this
what I be
game. You
talking
missed so many
about.
layups in
Hit me on the
2K18,
pick
but
and
I ain't even
rolls,
gonna get.
man.
That's for another video.
Hit me on the pick and rolls, bro.
That's for another video.
Brian, can you lower your voice, please? Because you're talking too loud and the kids are sleeping.
Right.
The
Oh my god, bro.
whoa,
Yeah, you gotta be
hold
yelling
on,
my
run
phone,
that
bro,
shit
'cause
back.
You over here selling me, man. Come on, stop selling me.
Wait, let's run that back. I don't think y'all just saw what I saw. Hold on. Now, she knocked on the door. She knocked on the door, but at least when she came in. But don't come in my room like that, bro. Do not come in. Don't just open my door like and then tell me to be quiet, bro. She just opened dude door like all casual, bro. Like, you be quiet. Like, what the hell? I hate it when my siblings come in my room like that and just bust the door open, bro, without knock, nothing, bro. I be recording the video, just bust through the door, like. You gotta lock the door when you do things, bro. You gotta lock the door when you playing 2K. You don't hear nothing. You just be zoning, bro. You gotta just be chilling, bro. But shit.
Oh, bro.
Brian, can you lower your voice, please? Because you're talking too
This
loud
nigga
and the
don't
kids
care.
are sleeping.
Right. Oh my god, bro.
He don't give a fuck. That nigga
Yeah,
just
you gotta be
like,
yelling on
alright,
the phone, bro, 'cause
out the door,
you over
bro.
here selling me, man. Come on,
He like,
stop
got
selling
me yelling.
Nah, if you don't want to pass the ball, I'm not passing the ball. It's that simple. That simple.
He said,
Ooh, drop step. Drop step.
you
Like,
don't
when
want to pass it?
the
I ain't
ball,
passing.
Let's see what you do with it.
Number one rule, you don't play defense,
What are you doing, bro?
you don't pass the ball,
Pass me the
you're
ball.
not getting that shit.
I got 3 seconds because you're not passing me the ball, man. I don't understand why you're not passing me the ball.
Yeah, he is center. You talking about getting 3 seconds. He
Okay.
gotta be a center.
What are you doing? What are you doing? I was in a game.
You're
What are you
annoying, Brian.
doing?
You're very annoying.
What
And
do you
this right
mean?
here is stressing me out, okay? So what I'm gonna do now
I was
is
in the middle of a
break
game.
your game.
Why are you
because
gonna break my
annoying.
game? You're bending my
annoying.
game,
You're
man.
annoying.
What are you
You're annoying.
doing, man?
You're annoying, Brian. You're annoying.
Stop touching my game.
You're annoying. This is like rubber. Like, why don't you break? Why don't you break? Why don't you break?
Why are
Why
you
don't you
doing
break?
this? Why are you doing
Why don't
this,
you
man?
break?
Why are you doing this, man? Why are
Why
you
don't
doing
you
this?
break? Why, look, this,
What? My nigga. Oh, all the way up, bro. Let's rewind. Rewind. We gonna Millie Rock and reverse. Dude raging on 2K, bro. First of all, the mom, here she come knocking on the door again. All right, I understand you knocking on the door. She knock on the door, just politely walk in, just beep out the system. Get that. Woo. That hurt my heart a little bit, even though 2K18 trash, but how much money you spent on that shit, bro? You got me messed up. Even though she bought him a new 2K, that hurt my heart a little bit. Hold on. I want y'all to see exactly what I seen, though. I think y'all missed something, though. Look. Wait. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Got to the part. Here we go. Alright. Y'all missed something. Look. How she knocked on the door. Look.
What are
Look.
you doing? I was
Beat,
in a game.
look.
What are you doing?
you're very
How
annoying.
she? You see how
This
she
right
just?
here
She knew
is
exactly
stressing me
which
out,
button to
okay?
push.
So what I'm
Now
gonna
look,
do
look,
now
look.
is-
Right in here. Right in there. Look. You see how she got the game in her hand like this? She got the game in her hand like this. The game halfway folded. Before she even would have before her hand even would have got up in this motion, I would have jumped over the table and tackled her, bro. She would have caught a clothesline. You know, dude, right back, she would have caught one of them clotheslines, bro. I would have prepared for it, bro. I would have been waiting for her to come in. Clothesline, bro. I would have bro, she would have caught the meanest DDT through my desk, bro. That shit breaking, my nigga. She catching the mean DDT. A Hurricane Harana through the TV. 619 through the TV. You catching everything, bro. We really scrapping after you break my 2K, bro. You know how much money I just spent for that? Alright, well, the 2K not even the Legend Edition, but just imagine there was a Legend Edition. I think that's a window behind him. Shoot. You would have had to catch this. You would have had to catch this mean fucking... I don't know. You would have had to catch a suplex. I would have... suplexed you right through the window. You would have flew down, probably fell on some shit. She would have woke up not knowing who she is. She would have woke up. She would have woke up not knowing who she is, man. I would have sweet. Nah. I ain't gonna lie to you. Soon as she would have got the game out as soon as I would have heard that, you getting super kicked right in your jaw. She getting lean. She falling right on the floor right there. I'm putting the game right back in there. Yo, I'm about to join y'all in a minute. Just like that. I'm about to join y'all in a minute. Just like that. But anyway, man, we're gonna finish this out.
It's in the middle of a game.
Your game.
Oh my.
Oh my
God, I feel it in my soul. She just.
Stop touching my game.
Man, you gotta just.
Why don't you break?
Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
Man, what a.
Why are you doing this, man? Why are you doing this?
Look, this.
Damn, man, you trying to fight me, bro? What, you wanna fight me, nigga?
Oh my God.
Damn. This nigga. Hell no.
Are you serious?
She just
Are you serious?
crumbled this shit like a piece of paper,
Open
my
the
nigga.
game, man. What are we talking about?
That's
bro?
crazy, man.
Oh
That's
my God,
crazy.
bro, we to move, man.
That's crazy,
God,
G.
Bro, why would you break my stupid game, man?
Yo, that ass beat?
Oh my God, bro.
Damn, bro.
You even getting worse after I break
I
the game.
feel you,
You
bro.
broke my game. What do you expect?
How old this dude, bro?
You're yelling. You know what time it is? You're
Oh my
yelling.
God, you selling my record.
She
bro.
would. I wouldn't have cared, bro. If she would have broke it in my FaceTime, I said, "You were yelling," but I would have.
Oh my
She would have
God,
caught another
bro,
Sweet Chin
can't
music,
wait to
bro.
move, bro.
After she woke up,
Can't wait to
she would have
move,
been
bro.
like, "What happened?" Another one, bro. I would have been like DJ Khaled. Another one. Another one. Back and forth, bro. Back to back on her shit like Drake. She good?
Guess what? That was a prank.
How is that a prank? I don't understand. How is that a prank? You're actually
My
pranking my
nigga
game. That's not a
snap,
prank.
man.
What do you mean?
He
that's a
said,
prank?
"Fuck that prank."
Remember what you did yesterday to me?
Yeah, my nigga gotta wait for the
Do
shit
you
to
not
install.
understand?
She
That's
got the
not
new
a prank.
2K in her
That's not
hand.
a prank. I don't get it. That's not a prank.
It's a prank when I got you a new game to replace the one that I broke. So it is a prank. I just wanted to
Damn,
make
if he
you
ain't
know,
back up his system,
because
you gotta
don't
make a
understand
whole
how
new
to
player.
Stop touching my stuff. Stop touching my stuff. You're selling my record.
Okay, but
you
you
don't
know-
understand. I played for a
Okay,
record
you know
in
what?
2K.
For one, you lower your voice. Don't talk to me like that. Okay, that's number one. And number two, yes, it is a prank. Just like
Don't
you
talk to
played
me
with
like
my
that.
son yesterday,
What?
and you say that something was wrong with him on the floor. Now I'm playing with this, which is what you like the most. Like I broke it. Okay?
That's not funny.
Okay, that's not funny. What you did yesterday wasn't funny either. Okay? It was a prank. And here's your new one, and we good now, okay? We
Don't tell me
okay?
to do about the crime,
Good night.
man.
Good
I
night.
almost broke my damn controller. You causing me my record. You causing me stress. Why are you
Damn,
doing
he broke the
this?
controller
That's not a prank.
down.
That's not a prank. It's trash.
He
That
broke the
record's trash.
controller,
Okay,
bro.
good night, okay? We even.
My
We
dude
good,
about
right?
to cry, bro. Look at him.
Yo, she really broke my NBA 2K18 though.
Man, don't cry. Don't go outside on YouTube, man.
What are you talking about?
Don't go out bad on. Damn.
You cannot be serious. Oh my.
Moment of silence, y'all.
Man.
Moment of silence.
So, guys, I really have to do that for what he did to.
I'm dead. My dude finna cry. Man, that's the end of the video, man. I can't watch no more, bro. That really just hurt me mentally, bro. How the hell you gonna break a nigga 2K like that, man? Leave a like, man. Subscribe if you're new, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm done with this shit. Bro, leave. Why are you still here?